The new SSK 3.0 Everything you need to know. Summary. As more people are learning Chinese, the SSK is becoming harder. You will need more vocab at each level. The new SSK 3 will come into effect in March 2022. SSK is adding this expert level for students who major in Chinese and PhD students. There will be 3 new levels, SSK 7 to 9. The existing SSK 1 to 6 will also become harder. You are advised to take your SSK exam soon, before it comes into effect. What is SSK 3.0? The Chinese Proficiency Grading Standard for International Chinese Language Education was formulated by the Center for Language Education and Cooperation. After nearly 4 years of development, it was officially released by the Ministry of Education and the State Language Affairs Commission in March this year, and will be officially implemented from July 1, 2021. What is new for SSK 3.0? According to the new standard, SSK test is going to be reformed. Instead of SSK 6 level, SSK 3.0 will have 3 stages and 9 levels in the future. When will SSK 7 to 9 start? The SSK test will still use the old version this year. SSK level 7 to 9 will have the first test run by the end of this year, and it will be officially launched in March 2022. The new SSK 7 to 9 will use one test paper. Which level a student is in will determine according to his or her test score of that test paper. Will SSK 1 to 6 be changed? SSK 1 to 6 will not be adjusted in the near future. The examination effectiveness, content, reference, vocabulary, and form will remain unchanged and will continue to be implemented stably. The validity of the obtained SSK 1 to 6 certificate remains unchanged in the next 3 to 5 years. SSK 1 to 6 will be gradually adjusted according to the new standard and the actual situation of Chinese learners in various countries. Should I take SSK test now? According to the new standard, SSK will be harder for students of all levels in the future. Take SSK 3 for example. Now it only requires 600 words, but level 3 in new standard require 2245 words compared to the SSK now. The new standard adds requirement about handwriting characters, so we suggest students to take SSK 1 to 6 as soon as possible to get a better result before SSK 1 to 6 is changed.